In today's video, I'm going to teach you how ElevenLabs credits work. If you're new to the platform or just trying to get a better understanding of the credit system, you're in the right place. First and foremost, credits on ElevenLabs serve as the currency for generating and transforming audio across the platform. This means every time you use any service or feature, it will deduct a certain number of credits from your account. The actual number of credits you use will depend on a variety of factors, such as the specific plan you are subscribed to, the product you're interacting with, and the model you're using. Now, let's dive into how you can keep track of these credits. To start, open your preferred web browser and ensure it's up to date for the best experience. Once your browser is open, navigate to the ElevenLabs website and sign in using your credentials. If you're already signed in, that's great. You're one step ahead. After you've logged in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you will find your account information represented by your name or profile icon. Click on it, and you will be brought to a section where you can view details about your credits. This area on the platform holds essential information, including the total number of credits you have at your disposal and how many are remaining. It's crucial to stay aware of these numbers, especially if you are on the free or starter plans. This is because if you deplete your available credits, you won't be able to generate or transform any more audio until your current billing cycle completes and the credits reset. So, it's always a good idea to monitor your usage carefully and pace yourself accordingly. One of the key factors influencing how many credits you consume is the length and complexity of the message you're working with. Shorter or simpler audio tasks will generally cost fewer credits, while those that are more intricate or lengthy will demand more. This understanding allows you to better plan and manage your credit usage in alignment with your needs. Keeping track of how credits work will help you maximize your experience on the platform without interruptions, ensuring that you're always prepared and never caught off guard by a sudden lack of credits. I hope this guide helps you feel more confident in navigating your journey with ElevenLabs. Thank you for joining me in today's exploration of the ElevenLabs credit system. Don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or for further clarification. Until next time, take care and happy